This movie is a quick reminder of how to add an action to a button. The buttons I'm going to use are already in my library. It's the left button and the right button. So the first thing I need to do is to create a new layer for the buttons. Click on the new layer and I'm going to have BTN next, which will go to the next scene, and then on the BTN next layer I'm going to drag across my instance of the gel right button, and I'm going to give the instance a name. I'm going to call it button next, and then another layer for the other button, BTN previous, and click on that empty layer, go back to my library and drag that button instance across, and finally go to the properties and give the instance a name, button previous. So this is the one that's going to take us to the previous scene. So now we've created the buttons, we need to add actions to the buttons to make them do something. So we click on our actions layer and right click actions, and the actions panel appears. Then we click on the instance that we want to add an action to, and I go to code snippets. Timeline navigation is the section I'm looking for. I want to go to the previous scene and play. Double click and the code, the action script is all created for us. Next I want to select the other button. Again, code snippets, but this is going to be go to next scene and play. Double click, and that's all you need to do.